Hey, it's Adam. I am taking questions and answering them, and today's question comes from Frank of Twitter. Must be an early Twitter user. Frank wants to know, if your shop caught fire and you could run in for one thing, what would it be? Oh, man. Does it have to be something that I can carry? It's like some of the spacesuits. But the first thing that occurred to my head was the Blade Runner blaster. I spent 5-6 years making it. It has a lot, the object itself has a lot of power for me. But then again, it's not necessarily a good idea to be running from a burning building holding a pistol. Look, Tom Sachs is fond of saying that every artist's biography has a chapter called The Fire. And it's not lost on me that I have gathered so many things that are important to me in this space, and that makes it somewhat vulnerable. I think about losing this stuff all the time. As someone who is a collector and a high-functioning hoarder, it is really an important question. I'd like to imagine that if this building was on fire, my concern would be more about the other buildings nearby it and people that might need help rather than what I want to take from here. These objects in here, they are mine in a sense, but I feel more like I'm lucky to be the steward of these objects for the period of time that they are with me. I love giving stuff in this shop away. I love it when people come in and they see something they never would have imagined that they've seen. A friend of mine's son came in and I had an object from a movie that the kid absolutely adored, and I gave it to him. I knew I could get another, but even still, if I couldn't, sometimes I buy 2 or 3 of something just so I could give it away. And sometimes, if somebody has a passion for something that exceeds mine, they should be the steward of the thing. So all of that is a long way of saying, obviously I'm attached to the objects around me. I have an unnatural attachment to collecting. And despite that, I am also clear that I am mortal. I will die with a to-do list with 1 million things on it that I still haven't done, and I won't be able to take any of this stuff with me. So I enjoy it while it is here. That got a little more philosophical than I expected it to get, but it is a terrific question. Thank you so much, Frank of Twitter. Please keep submitting your questions, and I will keep answering them.